Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to insert image letterhead in Word document. So for this you have to find the Word file from the start button. Here if you click on the Word, then you have to simply click on blank document, then you have to click on the insert, then you have to click on the picture, then you have to choose this device, then you have to choose that image letterhead image that you would like to use. That for example I'm going to use this one. Then you have to right click on it, then you have to choose the size and position from here. And after you in the size and position, make sure that you are in the size tab first, and you have to make sure that the height is in the 100% and the width is in also the 100%. After that you have to go to the text wrapping option, and when you are in the text wrapping option, make sure that you have chosen the behind text option from here. Then you have to click on the position option. After that you have to choose the alignment, and here you have to choose the centered option, and relative to you have to choose the page option from here. And in the vertical again you have to choose the alignment option, and here you have to choose the top option from here, and here you have to choose the relative to page. And after that you have to simply click on OK, and here you can see that you can easily insert the image letterhead image in your Word doc file. So that is as simple as that, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video.